Welcome to another video of Cooking with G Kev. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cook a delicious chicken parmesan. Today's ingredients: you're going to need some panko seasoned breadcrumbs, some marinara sauce. You can get any kind of sauce you want. I'm using roasted garlic today, some basil leaves, ground pepper, some salt. I'm using thin spaghetti today for the chicken parmesan. You can get any kind of spaghetti or noodle of your preference. Penne pasta, rigatoni, it doesn't matter. Couple eggs for the dredging. And the star of the show, of course, is some chicken breast. And olive oil for your noodles and your water. To make it easier to fry, what I'm doing is I'm butterflying the chicken breast. Best that you butterfly them to make them kind of thinner, and it also helps with the coating when you dredging and you ready to pan fry them for a couple minutes. So if you got real thick chicken, so it'll cook easier and much quicker. So you want to butterfly them like that. And you do that with however many chicken breasts you use. You just want to butterfly your chicken breast. Now that you got your chicken breast butterfly, you want to just season it with salt and pepper on both sides. Just a little bit of salt and pepper on both sides. Now for the dredging process, what you want to do is beat about 2 to 3 eggs for your dredging process. Beat them until you got, nice consistency to it, like you're scrambling eggs. If you need more eggs, it depends on how much chicken you're going to be cooking or using for your real parmesan. So you beat about 2 to 3 eggs. Here I have my panko breadcrumbs already in. And do that. Into my panko breadcrumbs is what I'm going to do. I'm going to add my Parmesan cheese into my panko breadcrumbs and mix it all together. Get a good little amount of cheese in there, probably maybe half a cup maybe, and just kind of mix it all in there together. And you can get seasoned panko breadcrumbs, or you can just get regular panko breadcrumbs. I'm using seasoned panko breadcrumbs. All right. Go grab your chicken. First, you want to put it into your egg wash. Make sure it's nice and coated. Transfer it to your breadcrumbs. You want to get your breadcrumbs on here nice and good. Make sure every piece of the chicken is covered. That's why you're using the egg, so your breadcrumbs will stay nice and coated on there. Transfer your coated chicken breast to another plate and repeat as many times as you want. Again, it's depending on how many chicken breasts you're cooking. Do now is get you some olive oil nice and heated, so you can saute your chicken breast for about 2 to 3 minutes each side Just enough olive oil just to coat the pan. Once your olive oil comes up to temp, you just want to put your chicken breasts in there and cook them about 2 minutes per side, because it's going to do more of the cooking is going to be done in the oven. All right. After sauteing your chicken breast, you want to put your, most people warm their marinara sauce up, but I don't, because it's going to actually warm up while it's in the oven baking. You want to put your chicken breast, your partially cooked chicken breast, into a saucepan. If your chicken breasts are big, they're going to overlap. Of course, I could have used a bigger pan, but we're going to make it work. Put your sauce on the bottom, and then you take your mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle a good portion of mozzarella cheese on the top. Preheat your oven to about 375, 400 degrees, and bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. Partly sauteed chicken breast into a baking dish. Put my marinara sauce on the bottom. Some people usually heat their marinara sauce up in a pan on the side, but I don't. The oven's going to automatically heat that up. And I put a generous portion of mozzarella cheese on top. Put it in the oven at 375 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. While your chicken breast and marinara sauce is in the oven baking, I have my water boiling over here so I can start my noodles. Your spaghetti noodles. With your water boiling like this, add a little bit of Italian seasoning to it. Put your noodles in. Shouldn't take maybe 6 to 10 minutes for your noodles to become al dente. All right, after about 15 to 20 minutes at 375, it's out of the oven. Got my noodles here as well. They're cooked. You want to take a little bit of your noodles, put it on the plate. And take one of your chicken breasts out. Oh, look at the cheese on that there. Simply garnish the noodles with your chicken breast. Take a spoon. Get a spoon and get some of your marinara sauce out and top it like so. and little basil on top to garnish. Can't wait to see what it tastes like. Chicken Parmesan. Here we go. Got a little of the noodles and the cheese and the chicken. Chicken is perfectly cooked through. Here we go. Oh, chicken is nice and tender. Just the right amount of seasoning. You gotta go in for another one. So good. Well, thank you again for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends, and I'll see you on the next video.